Hello everyone, and welcome to break 1449 for the 2019 Gold Rush Baseball Vault Pack. I want to thank everyone for getting in the break, and all of you watching. Let's go ahead and check out the current date and time according to eBay. It's Saturday, February 1st, 2020. It's 10:43 p.m. Eastern Time, 9:43 p.m. Central Time, and 7:43 p.m. Pacific Time. In the break, we have Subnoy with 6 spots, Tony with 3, KU 4, SJ 1, JD 1, Austin 7, Raw AEW with 6, Awesome 1, Austin Britt with 1 spot. We're going to randomize everyone 7 times to determine your team or teams for the break. Subnoy, you're on top, Austin Britt bottom once, twice, 3 times, 4, 5, 6, and lucky number 7 has awesome stuff on top, Tony on the bottom. All right, awesome. You have the Diamondbacks, Raw AEW Braves, Orioles, Subnoy Red Sox, Austin Cubs, Subnoy White Sox, SJ Reds, KU Indians, Tony Rockies, Raw AEW Tigers, Austin Astros, Subnoy Royals, Tony Angels, Raw AEW Dodgers Marlins, KU Brewers, Subnoy Twins, KU Mets, Austin with the Yankees, Austin Britt with the Athletics, JD Phillies, Austin Pirates, Padres, KU Giants, Austin Mariners, Subnoy Cardinals, Rays, Raw AEW with the Rangers, Austin Blue Jays, and last but not least, Tony has the Washington Nationals. All right, so here we are. Whichever team is on the jersey is where the card will go. And I see an autograph of Barry Bonds for the Pittsburgh Pirates. Check that out. Barry Bonds for Pittsburgh. 5 out of 10 Immaculate Collection. Barry Bonds. This will go to Pittsburgh. And that is Barry Bonds for the Pittsburgh Pirates. So going to Pittsburgh, auto is guaranteed by Panini. Check that out. Officially licensed. Very nice for the Pittsburgh Pirates. Barry Bonds, Immaculate Marks, 5 out of 10 Pittsburgh Pirates. Auto going to... Who has the Pittsburgh Pirates? There we are. Austin. Congrats, Austin, on the Pittsburgh Pirates. Barry Bonds, 5 of 10 for break 1449. Want to thank everyone for getting in the break and all of you watching. We do appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe, follow us on eBay, and of course, check us out on social media on P2J Sports Cards. We hope to see you all very soon. And stick around for the bonus break spot. Again, Barry Bonds, 5 out of 10 Immaculate Auto. Thanks.